Hi, my friends. Welcome to the Pivot and Prosper Show. I'm your host, Shondra Cooper, a faith-driven entrepreneur, former nurse, and community builder who help women just like you create digital income with purpose, passion, and profit. Today, I want to share with you why I created the Community Builders Lab, who it's for, and how you can launch a community as well. I'm going to show you how to launch a profitable, powerful online community, even if you're starting from scratch. So if you've been sitting on your story, your skills, or your calling, this one's for you. Let me take you back. So just a little over a year ago, I was trying to figure it all out. I had invested in a digital course, but the tech felt overwhelming. I didn't know where to start, to be honest with you. I had no audience, no list, no followers. All I had was a story, skill set, and a deep desire to serve. Does this sound like you? I was trying to build a website, understanding personal branding and what is business branding, learn how to create content that stops the scroll, that, turn your followers into clients, or creating content that converts. It was a lot, but I kept going. And in the middle of that learning curve, I had a realization. I realized my greatest asset wasn't another program or another tool. It was my story, my wisdom, and my experience. That's when everything shifted. That shift led to the Community Builders Lab. CBL is a free school community designed to help women just like you, especially coaches, consultants, teachers, leaders, launch their own community using what they already have, their experience, their story, and their knowledge. It's my way of giving back. It's digital community service. It's the space I wish I had when I started this journey. I created it for women just like you. Feel called to lead, but don't know how. You want to build income online without burnout or the fluff. If you know you're meant to make a difference, but you feel overwhelmed by strategy. Inside CBL, I teach you this simple strategy called the 3C framework. Your community, a place where you gather and you connect. Your classroom, where you teach what you know. Your calendar, where you create structure with your live calls, your webinars, or your Zoom meetings or trainings. You don't need a funnel. You do not need a team. You need courage, clarity, and community that supports you while you build. Let's be real. Social media is loud. Algorithms, oh my goodness, they change daily. And if you know like I know, it's easy to get caught in the scroll and feel like your voice doesn't matter. But community is where the transformation happens. It's where we are reminded like who we are. It's like being in the kitchen on Thanksgiving, right? Everyone's gathered around, pouring into each other. It's collaboration, conversation, collective growth. Listen, this is a secret. In 2025, community is where the currency is at. If you don't remember anything I said today, community equals currency. And if you've ever said, I just want to help people, I want to turn my coaching into something sustainable, or I want to serve with impact and integrity, then launching your own community is the next step. CBL is for coaches who are ready to elevate and sustain reoccurring income without burnout. Consultants who are ready to leave without chasing clients. Teachers who are ready to turn their knowledge into scalable business or service. It's for women over 40 who want to leave a legacy and live with a purpose. It's literally for anyone who has gone through anything and wants to see or help someone else rise or level up. Here's what you get when you join CBL. Simple start here roadmap to launch your own school group. Step-by-step lessons on setting up your community, classroom, and your calendar. Weekly encouragement, live training, and strategy drops. Supportive, like-minded community of network builders just like you. And you also get a 14-day free trial on the Skool, Skool platform. So you can build while you learn. No pressure, no overwhelm, just clarity and action. You probably were wondering, yes, you can monetize. You can sell it as a course, offer it as a bonus to your coaching, or turn it into a full membership business. My mission is to help 10,000 women launch their communities that create transformation and income without sacrificing who they are or what they believe in. I truly believe your voice is the key. I believe that your experience is someone else's breakthrough. I truly believe God did not bring you through all that for nothing. So if you've ever felt like your life is preparing you for more, something greater, this is that moment. So I invite you to join me inside of the Community Builders Lab. Let's build your digital community together. Click the link in the description to join now. Your 14-day free Skool trial is waiting. Let's turn your passion into purpose. And let's turn your purpose into a platform. If this video blessed you, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and share it with a sister so she can start building and stop doubting. This is the Pivot to Prosper show. I'm Shondra Cooper, your host. Let's build what we were born for.